Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2013 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: trailer brake controller, 4-wheel drive, fog lamps. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, OnStar, cruise control, console, floor mats. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.